What's up guys, Nemo Propaganda here. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to talk about a tweak for the Bluesound node. This is going to be for the LHY power supply upgrade. I bought this from Vinshine Audio a while ago. I just hopped on their website and I bought it as if I was a regular retail customer. I didn't ask for a review sample. I didn't ask for a discount. It's inexpensive enough. It's under $300. And I knew this was something I wanted to try for myself. I don't generally do tweaks and modify gear, but a few of you guys in the comments section and in my free Discord had mentioned to me that you did this upgrade and you thought it was just an absolute night and day difference. And you just really encouraged me to try it. So I figured under 300 bucks, let's find out. Maybe I could help some other people that might be on the fence. Is this really a big upgrade? Is it worth the money? Should you do it? Is it difficult to do? So on and so forth. So my Bluesound node is the older 2i version. There's also a version of this mod for the newer Bluesound node. So whether you got the 2i or the newer one, don't fret. Vinshine Audio has you covered. They have both kits on their website and they're both $297 with today's exchange rate. Installing the kit is super easy and you can undo it if you need to undo it for some reason. I don't think you'll undo it once you do the mod because it's worth every penny. All you're going to do is open up your node, which is really simple. It's just a couple of screws on the back. It pops right open. 4 screws take out this little power supply board, and there's just a little like ribbon cable you undo, and the whole power supply section comes out. You put in the new unit from LHY Audio that's sold through Vinshine. And you reconnect the ribbon cable. It comes with a nice little adapter around the back so it looks factory. And that's it. 10 minutes or less. All you need is a Phillips screwdriver. That's it. That's all you need. You don't need tweezers. You don't need to solder. This is a one tool job. If you watch Alvin's video from Vinshine Audio, he talks about needing tweezers. That's only because of the order that there's this little bracket. And if you put that bracket in last, you don't need tweezers. He put the bracket in before the last 2 screws, and that's why he said he needed tweezers. I promise you a Phillips screwdriver is all you need to do this mod, guys. 10 minutes or less. 20 minutes if you want to just like take your time. 10 minutes, I don't want to front. 10 minutes, you're like rushing through it. I say 20 minutes taking your time. So what does it do? Once the mod's done, the power supply, the 25 VA power supply that comes with it, just gets connected via included cable. I could not believe what this did for my sound. Everything from top to bottom is improved, notably holographics and refinement. So some of you guys might remember a while ago, I reviewed a streaming stack by Silent Angel. It was their power supply, their streamer, and their network switch. It was about a $2,000 stack, and it did sound very good. It was absolutely better than a Bluesound Node 2i. I mean, $2,000 streamer, it should be better. This power supply upgrade paired with my Aries 2 puts my node on par with the Silent Angel stack. And I know what you're thinking. Hey, you just mentioned your Aries also. That you're adding money. Okay, do the math. That's about 1,600 bucks compared to the Silent Angel stack, which I believe is 21 to 2,200. The Bluesound node stack with the Aries 2 and the LHY power supply upgrade is still like $500 cheaper and sounds just as good. This is a great mod. So let me tell you what I noticed. Improved holographics in the mid-range, improved treble refinement, air and space. I didn't notice a huge difference in bass necessarily. It was mostly mid-range holographics and treble refinement. And for $297, I got a lot more than I was expecting. Would I call it a night and day upgrade? I'm not sure, but I wouldn't argue with the people that do call it a night and day upgrade because it certainly was. It's more than a nuance upgrade, I'll tell you that. It's not something you have to listen for. You don't have to critically listen to notice these improvements. And it's funny because just a couple days ago, someone commented on one of my videos and he was like, hey man, I feel like your Bluesound node is holding you back. And the dude's not wrong. I'm using $6,000 worth of amplification between my Kinky Studio preamp and mono blocks. I use the Aries 2 DAC. You know what I mean? I use speakers that are anywhere from $2,000 to $8,000 a pair. I use subwoofers that are fairly expensive as well. My system is going to sit between $10,000 and $25,000 depending on how I have it configured. And it's true, the Bluesound Node on its own was definitely holding me back. Would the LHY power supply upgrade? By the way, in the power supply, it's not even that big. I think I just added significant mileage to my streamer. I really do. I could not be happier. So rejoice. If you're looking for an inexpensive tweak that's a few $100s and you have a Bluesound Node, whether it's the 2i or the newer version, I strongly recommend this. I absolutely wholeheartedly recommend you try this. It's easy to do. It's a noticeable upgrade. And the cool thing is what it upgrades are two areas that are actually really difficult to upgrade. And that's the holographics and refinement in the treble. If you don't have good refinement in the treble region, your only option, generally speaking, is to buy a more expensive amplifier. If you don't have good holographics, again, your option is generally going to be to really upgrade your speakers, your amplifier, or add some room treatment. To get an upgrade in those two regions that are generally difficult to see an improvement in, for less than 300 bucks, 10 stars, 10 stars. Highly recommend, very impressed. I can't recommend this product more. And guys, just friendly reminder for those of you that might be new to my content, I don't use affiliate links. There's no horse in this, there's no dog in this fight for me. I don't have a horse in the race, whatever the hell the saying is. I don't use affiliate links. I paid for the unit with my own money. I don't get kickbacks or commissions. I don't play none of those games. I do this whole YouTube channel for fun and for free. That's why the quality is so low. If you can't tell, I film on an iPhone, guys. Anyway, I digress. I think that's everything I wanted to tell you about the LHY power supply upgrade for the Bluesound Node. Again, Vinshine Audio, show them some love. Everyone, you all know their website. You know what I'm saying? Check them out if you want to buy it. Until next time, take care.